Welcome friend to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. So guys, today we are having the question that is, at a company's annual dinner, half in attendance are employees. Employees' spouse means that their wives is 1/3 of the attendance. So what is the percentage of the people in attendance who are neither employees nor employee spouse? So here we are having employee and some of them are employee spouse. It means that their wives, and the rest are other than the employees and their spouse in a company dinner. So here we have been asked in the question to find out the percentage who are neither employee nor their spouse. So the first thing which we have to do, that is to try out to understand the question, that is, let the total number of people be X. So we say here, so let the total number of people be, that is, X. So these are the whole people, including the employees, the other peoples and their spouse. So here and we take company employees and their spouse B, that is how much? If you see, that are the company employees, that is half X. So we take X, and their spouses are in the ratio or in the form, then the fraction, that is 1/3 X of the whole people. So here the first thing which we have to do, that is we combine the employees and their spouse. So how much that becomes? So 1.5, these are employees, plus 1/3 X. So these are the spouse. So how much it becomes? It becomes, so here we get 6, 3x. So 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So 3x plus 2x, and we get the answer here, that is 5x upon 6. So these are the number of employees plus their spouse. So now we have to find out the other peoples. So this is the total number of people. So we have just taken the total number of people. So here other peoples, that is how much? X minus, so this 5x upon 6. So from the whole people we are just minusing the employee with their spouse. So here it becomes 6x minus 5x upon 6. So here we get the answer, that is 1 upon 6x. So this is other than employees nor their spouse. So it means these are the people other than the company's employee and their spouse. So in the next part of the question, if you see, it has just been asked that what is the percentage of other people. So the percentage of other peoples, that is, so this is the percentage for other people. So here we take 1 upon 6 multiply by 100. So hope till here you have understood it. So 1 upon 6, it is the other people. So here if you divide it by 2, we get here 350. So we get here 50 upon 3. I hope that here you have understood the question. So on dividing 50 with 3, we get the answer, that is 1, 3, that is 2, 0, 6, 18, that becomes 2. So if you see this portion till here, you can see, so this can be written 16 and 2 upon 3. So this could be one of our answer. So if you further want to solve it, then it becomes 0.0 and it becomes 6, 18 and 2, 0, and this goes on away. So it could also be written, that is how much, 16.66, and this is approximately equal to 16.7%. So this is the percentage of the people rather than employees nor their spouse. So this is our answer. So hope you have understood the question. So thank you very much.